cleaning the mag filter and adding inhibitor. To begin, close the isolators above and below the mag filter. Remove the magnet from the top of the filter. Take a 5mm Allen key and remove the bung from the bottom of the filter. Open the return isolator to backflush the filter. Keep backflushing until the water runs clear. Then close the isolator. Remove the lid from the top of the filter. Remove the gauze and wash. Once clean, replace. Restore the bung in the bottom of the filter. Fill the pot with inhibitor. Take care to fill right to the brim. Lubricate the top of the pot to allow easy opening at the next service. Replace the magnet in the top of the filter. Reopen the isolators. Finished.